Hello beautiful people, I welcome you to another tutorial. Thank you so much guys for always stopping by. My subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and most importantly turn your notification bells on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Today I'm going to be taking you through on how to take a proper measurement for your pants trouser. Be it a short pant, three-quarter, full length, I am going to put you through all that. You need to also watch my video on how to take a full body measurement, like a complete body measurement with extra. Like I split out a whole lot of things that are usually, not really mentioned when you're talking about taking a complete body measurement. You need to watch that video, guys. It's very detailed. Okay, now concentrating on this one now for the pant trouser measurement. One thing you also need to take note of is the fact that you need what we call the verticals and the horizontals. The verticals from the length of the pants, which is the waist, which starts from the waist all the way to wherever you want the pant trouser to stop, and also the horizontal is the circular measurements of all the parts. So getting started, I'm going to make use of my mannequin for demonstration. So let's concentrate on the down part. Now, from my waist measurement, I'm going to start taking, which is the first measurement will be from my waist measurement to my hip. Now, the hip is usually the fullest part of this area. Okay, the fullest part of this area. And the waist is usually the tiniest part of the upper side. So, the waist to the hip here is 9 inches. Okay, now the next measurement to take note of will be my waist to the crotch length. Okay, to the crotch length. Okay, which is usually a little bit of an issue. Now, the best way you can really get your crotch length, okay, is to take use of a flat surface. Like I have here, I have a flat surface here. All you need to do is to sit on a flat surface like so. Take your tape measurement, place it on the waist, and take it down, touching the surface that you're sitting on. And what do I have here? I have 11 inch. Once again, take your tape rule from your waist, take it all the way to the surface that you're sitting on. Guys, that is simple. That is how to get your crotch length. It's that simple. Okay, the next measurement now is to take from the waist to the thigh. And the thigh is usually somewhere around here. Now, it can be a little bit tricky to really get, the length of the thigh. But the good thing there is to be the measurement, standard measurement to achieve that. All you need to do is to add 3 inches to your crotch length. 3 inches to your crotch length, and you're able to get what your round thigh measurement, which is although usually around this area. Then the next measurement will be from your waist all the way to your knee length. Now, your knee length here is also usually have a standard measurement for that, a good figure to work with actually, especially for an average person, and that is 18. Then you can go below 18, say 17, maybe the person is on a petite size, say shorter, or if it's someone that is very tall, then you can make use of 19. Okay, so length of the neck, length of the trouser pants all the way to the knee. Then the next measurement, of course, is going to be to wherever you now want it to stop, which of course might be at that knee. It might be even a little bit above the knee. It might be on the three-quarter leg that's below the knee now, or it might be all the way to the down floor. And that is it, guys. That is it for the vertical measurement of your pant trouser. The next thing to take note of now is now the circular measurement, which will be to take your tape rule and start taking your round measurement. The first one will be on your waist. Okay, you take note of that. The next one is going to be on your hip. Okay, remember, it's the fullest part, so you need to really cover up this side. Okay, the hip measurement. Then the next one now, where you have the crotch length, okay, the round measurement there is called the flap, this way. So you have to put your tape like so, and this is your round flap measurement. Of course, the round thigh measurement, which is somewhere around there, you need to take note of that as well to work with. Then the round new measurement. The round new measurement, you take note of that. This time around, if it's going to be a short pant, you know how to put it. Whenever it's going to stop, you just take the round measurement of the below length. If it's going to be on the knee length, if it's going to be below 3/4, you take note of that. Then the next measurement, of course, if it's going to be on the down floor, a full trouser length, then you need to take note of the ankle. Okay. Now, one important thing I want you to take note of is this. When you are taking your ankle measurements, like this, you need to take note of the fact that it's able to pass through. I hope you can see this. It's able to pass through like this. Okay? So don't just go taking note of the measurements here and just sticking to it, not confirming that it can actually go through your nails line, because if you do that, after making it, you will find it that you will not be able to even wear the pants. So you need to take note of this round ankle measurement and be sure that it's able to pass through like so. I hope you understand that. And guys, that is it, guys. Like, that is it on your taking your measurements for your trouser parts. It's that simple. Okay. I hope you're really learn one or two things here today. Thank you so much. Remember also to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget that. Share, please do share, and of course subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.